Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to revise the remaining part of chemical reactions. We have to revise activity 5.1 and 5.2 on page 64. 5.1 activity is about the chemical reaction that takes place between iron and sulfur. When iron and sulfur are heated together, a black mass of iron sulfide is formed. And second activity is about the rusting of iron. Iron gets rusted when it reacts with oxygen from the air and moisture that is also present in the air. The oxygen and moisture are necessary conditions for the rusting of iron. Without them, no rusting takes place, as you have seen in the video. When iron reacts with oxygen, it forms iron oxide. This iron oxide, the chemical name of this iron oxide is ferric oxide, and its formula is Fe2O3. Clear? This 2 is the coefficient, it is not involved in the formula, and Fe2O3 indicates the valency of iron 3 in this compound. There are some compound in which the iron show valency 2. Clear? So it is ferric oxide. Next we have to mark the questions related to this topic. Beta, question number 1. Explain how black mass of iron sulfide is formed. In this you may mark the answer from this line. Apparatus or material required this. Skip this line, instead give the heading of observation and start your observation from this line. Iron reacts with sulfur on heating. The result of this reaction is the formation of black mass of iron sulfide. Iron plus sulfur, arrow, iron sulfide. Second question is, explain rusting of iron with the help of an activity. The answer you have to mark from this line. Skip this from this, and instead of record your observation, you have to give the heading of observation. You have to skip this also and start from this line. Iron reacts with oxygen of the air to form iron oxide, Fe2O3. The reaction is called rusting of iron and it takes place in the presence of moisture. Iron plus oxygen, arrow, ferric oxide, Fe2O3, and these are the coefficient they are for balancing the chemical equation. And thank you.